Do you have a sketchbook? Sketchbooks aren't just simple notebooks. They're magic portals to the land of creativity and inspiration. In this video, we'll explore the importance of sketchbooks and the mental and artistic benefits they offer. But first things first, let's talk about what sketchbooks are. They come in all shapes and sizes and are made of all different kinds of paper. They're also portable, so you can take them with you wherever you go. It's like carrying your creative brain with you at all times. Now onto the juicy stuff. Imagine having a portable space where you can unleash your creativity, experiment with new techniques, and document your artistic journey. That's the magic of a sketchbook. Do you have a favorite sketchbook or drawing that you've created in one? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Did you know that sketchbooks offer significant mental benefits? Yep, you heard that right. Studies have shown that drawing or sketching can reduce stress, anxiety, and depression. So if you're feeling blue, pick up that sketchbook and start doodling. It's also a great way to improve cognitive function and memory retention. Who knew drawing stick figures could be so good for your brain? But why stop there? Sketchbooks allow you to draw anything and everything, no matter how silly or significant it may seem. It's a space for experimentation and exploration, and the best part is that you don't have to worry about making mistakes or creating perfect drawings. So let your imagination run wild. When starting out with a sketchbook, it's crucial to choose an easy painting and work in a medium you're comfortable with. This will help you build confidence and establish a consistent drawing habit. Don't worry about being the next Picasso, Monet, or even Leonardo da Vinci. Just start. Start small and work your way up. To make the most of your sketchbook, use it every day, or at least try every day, even if it's just for a few minutes. Don't be afraid to try new things and explore new mediums, techniques, and styles. And take the time to reflect on your work and review your sketchbook regularly. It'll help you identify patterns and habits and areas where you can improve. So in conclusion, after all that, a sketchbook is a must-have tool for artists of all levels. It is a space for your creativity, your experimentation, and your own self-reflection. And it's also good for your mental health. So go ahead, start filling those pages with your amazing creations, and don't forget to have fun. Drawing in a sketchbook is an essential part of an artist's creative practice, providing a space for experimentation, practice, and self-expression. With dedication and practice, a sketchbook can become a valuable tool for your artistic journey. If you found this video helpful, try watching this one next on how to doodle in a sketchbook.